Welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Priyanka Parekh and you're watching the Reality Rundown. In today's bulletin, we bring you updates from across the nation. Let's have a look. Guwahati will host its inaugural Guwahati Asian Film Festival from February 7th to February 9th, 2025. This three-day event will showcase notable films from across Asia and Northeast Indian region, marking a key milestone in celebrating both regional and international cinema. A tanker carrying ethanol caught fire and overturned on NH31 in Kokrajhar. The incident occurred around 9 am when the tanker travelling from West Bengal to Assam lost control and burst into flames by the roadside. The tanker was en route to Numaligarh refinery. Remarkably, the driver Rajkumar Sharma survived the blaze. Violence broke out in Silchar, Assam when a truck transporting Naziat Enterprise football team supporters was attacked by unidentified assailants. Stones were thrown at the truck in Baga Bazaar, causing the driver to be struck in the head and the vehicle to lose control. The incident resulted in injuries to over 20 people, with 2 individuals reported in critical condition and receiving urgent medical attention. In Sorang district, Sikkim, Hemchandra Rai has been arrested for allegedly murdering his wife, Meera Rai. Meera's body was found at their home and Hemchandra is accused of killing her with a stone. The accused was apprehended after an intensive manhunt by officers from Naya Bazar police station. The suspect is now in police custody and will appear in court tomorrow. A bomb attack occurred in Bishnupur district, Manipur, causing damage to 2 buildings. Predators fired rockets from the hills of Churachandpur district towards the Tronglobi neighborhood, around 45 kilometers from Impal. Thankfully, there were no injuries. Police report that rockets had a range of over 3 kilometers and that multiple rounds were fired from the hills, prompting a response from security forces. Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia joined the Congress party ahead of Haryana Assembly elections next month. Wrestler Vinesh Fogart resigned from her respective position in Northern Railway earlier in the day. By bringing Fogart and Punia on board, the party is looking to expand its support base among women, sportsperson and the youth, apart from combined Jat votes. The Supreme Court today dismissed former Arjikar Medical College principal Sandeep Ghosh's petition challenging the Kolkata High Court's decision to transfer the corruption investigation against him to the Central Bureau of Investigation. Ghosh, at the center of controversy following a trainee doctor's rape and murder at the institution last month, also had his request to be added as a party to a petition alleging financial irregularities during his tenure denied. Aam Aadmi Party staged a protest near the BJP headquarters on DDU Marg against the arrest of party MLA Amatullah Khan. The demonstrators gathered near the old Aam Aadmi Party office were blocked by police and barricades from advancing towards the BJP headquarters. Khan's wife Mariam claimed that her husband was framed in a false case. The Congress party has strongly criticized SEBI chief Madhavi Puri Buch, alleging potential corruption and a conflict of interest concerning her property dealings. The party claimed that Buch, who served as a whole-time member of SEBI since 2018, is involved in a dubious rental arrangement that may undermine her partiality. A public interest litigation seeking to ban Netflix's series IC-814, The Kandahar Hijack, has been withdrawn from the Delhi High Court. The move follows Netflix's addition of a disclaimer addressing concerns about the portrayal of 1999 hijack of Indian Flight 814. The PIL filed by Surajit Singh Yadav, chief of Hindu Sena, has alleged that the series The PIL filed by Surajit Singh Yadav, chief of Hindu Sena, has alleged that the series misrepresented the identities of terrorists involved. Thank you. For more such updates, keep watching Such the Reality.
हाय प्रियंका, कैसी है?
हाय, बस तू कैसी है?
मैं भी बढ़िया। क्या बात है, नई स्कूटी लेने का सोच रही है?
हाँ यार, नई स्कूटी लेनी है, लेकिन मंगलदूई में कहाँ लूँ, किस पे भरोसा करूँ, पता नहीं ना यार।
अरे क्यों, श्री साई मोटर्स है ना, यहाँ तुझे अच्छी स्कूटी तो मिलेगी ही, साथ ही में अच्छे ऑफर्स और अच्छी सर्विसेज भी मिलेंगी।
फिर तो मुझे आज ही जाके लेना चाहिए श्री साई मोटर्स से स्कूटी, और फिर हम लोग चलेंगे लॉन्ग ड्राइव।
क्या आप अपने नए 2 व्हीलर की तलाश में है तो आज ही आए मंगलदोई भिभार घाट के श्री साई मोटर्स में। यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे बेहतरीन ऑप्शंस, शानदार ऑफर्स और भरोसेमंद सर्विस। अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें 9289922289 पर या 98649
58057 पर। श्री साई मोटर्स, आपके भरोसे का नाम।